if you are an expert, if you are really good at what you do, the best way to be effective is not to continue doing that one thing on your own. You become a bottleneck. The best way to become effective is to help others to learn those skills that you have, to understand the things that you know. It's much better if your whole team of, let's say, 15 people can be leveled up. Surely that's more effective than having one person who's an expert. So I suggest that the way that you can level up, the way that you can become a 10x developer, which is a term I hate, is to help others around you become more effective. It's much better, much more scalable. So I'm going to suggest a bunch of ways to do this. Pair programming is my favorite way of leveling up everyone. I worked in a pair programming environment when I worked for LMAX, a financial exchange here in London, and we pair programmed every day. And there I learned not only about the domain, not only about different ways of approaching a problem. It was also fantastic for having those what were normally inner monologues about should I do it this way, or this way, or this way, or this way. You can have that with another person, and you can get a lot of insights very quickly while you're delivering code. Now, I know a lot of organizations think that having 2 developers at a laptop is a waste of time, because everybody knows that typing is the bottleneck when you're coding, right? It is not. So if you can't sell your organization on this. Oh, yes, I wanted to say as well, pair programming is not just for developers. So when we were at LMAX, we used to pair program sometimes at the beginning of a story with a business analyst, a developer, and a technical tester. And this was a really effective way of sharing the knowledge of what we were trying to deliver from the business analyst, all the ways it could go wrong, all the edge cases from the tester, and the developer at the end of that would have a much clearer idea of what they were delivering and some of the constraints around it. So pair programming is not just for exchanging knowledge between developers, it's also for bridging some of those boundaries between the different roles inside your team. If pair programming is maybe something you can't sell your company on, maybe mob programming might be another approach. So get everyone together in a conference room for, I don't know, a day, a week, I don't know, whatever suits you, and pick something to work on. You can either pick an issue to work on, and you all still get the benefits of learning off each other. You still get the idea of seeing how other people work, how other people use a tool, have a wireless keyboard which you can throw around so you can change your drivers and your navigators. And this might be another way to share knowledge between everyone in the team.